So, hydroquinone is a chemical ingredient, okay, and it's very popular. Yeah, it is very popular, and the reason is because it is used in treating loads of skin issues, the likes of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, freckles, sun damage. Okay, so a lot of people that have, skincare issues that I've mentioned right now, most of the easiest ingredient to look out for that works a little bit faster than other lightening ingredient is hydroquinone. So it is a skin lightener, okay, but there has been a lot of debates about the use of hydroquinone. There's been a lot of debate about how safe is this particular ingredient when it comes to using it on your skin, because hydroquinone inhibits the production of melanin. Okay, the production of melanin, the melanin producing cells. Okay, and by doing that, it decreases the pigment on your skin. And that is why a lot of people fancy using it to treat the hyperpigmentation. Okay, but how safe is hydroquinone when it comes to using it on your skin? If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is CHIKA. I'm a certified esthetician. I talk about skincare in this channel, okay? Everything skincare. Most of the product reviews that I do are from my viewers. So if this is your first time and this product you want me to review, leave your comments below in the comment section and I will try my best to do that, okay? If you like what you're watching and you want to become part of this channel, click the subscribe button and subscribe and become part of this channel, okay? And while you're subscribing, make sure you hit the bell button, the notification bell. The notification bell keeps you up to date on what is happening on my channel, okay? Please like this video, hit the like button and like it, and help me share it, okay? Share it, share and share. Thank you so much. And for my regular viewers, you're the reason why this channel is still alive. Thank you so much for coming back, and I am grateful for your support. Mwah. Now, hydroquinone comes in different skin lightening, in different skincare products. Okay, you can find it in cleansers, you can find it in soaps, you can find it in serums and creams. Okay, and in this video I will be talking about, the first thing is how to use hydroquinone in a safe way to maximize the benefits and not cause problems on your skin. Okay, so I will give like a rundown of how to use it, what percentage is acceptable to use, what percentage can your skin tolerate, and the duration of time that you are supposed to use hydroquinone. All right, and then I'll be telling you what skin type should or shouldn't use hydroquinone, or what skin tone should or shouldn't use hydroquinone. The first thing is, when it comes to using hydroquinone, okay, when it comes to skincare, it's all about what suits your skin. It's all about what works for you. Hydroquinone is not for everybody. Okay, it's not for everybody. The reason is because most times when you have a particular skin type, in as much as hydroquinone may be for every skin type, but it's not something that I will recommend for people with sensitive skin. Okay, the reason is because when you're using it, if you don't use the required dosage, your skin may become overly sensitive and you may end up having burn, which I will talk about the side effect, why there has been a debate if this particular ingredient is actually safe, because there are more side effects when using hydroquinone than benefits, and I will mention that as this video goes along. Okay, now when it comes to the normal dosage for hydroquinone, the first thing is, my recommendation would be if you are someone that has all these skin issues that I mentioned earlier, it's better to look for hydroquinone, a prescribed one. Okay, but if that option is not for you and you want to purchase over-the-counter hydroquinone, do not go over 4%. 2 to 4% is probably the normal recommended dosage that will help solve the problem that you're using it for. Remember, hydroquinone is not a cream that you could just go buy and use it as long as you want. No, because it has a lot of side effects. It can cause more damage on your skin than good. Okay, now the duration that you should use hydroquinone, whether prescribed or over the counter, shouldn't be more than 12 weeks. And the reason is because too of the side effect, which I will mention in this video later. Okay, 12 weeks maximum. If it's prescribed, a dermatologist will not tell you to use hydroquinone more than 12 weeks. And if you're using it, make sure you only use it on the place where you have the problem, where you have the pigment, hyperpigmentation, whether you're treating freckles or dark spots, or you want to even out skin tone due to acne scars. Make sure you only use it on a specific area where you have the problem. Do not use it all over your body, because it's not a body cream that you could just use anyhow. Okay, now the next thing is, when you're using hydroquinone, I'm taking it one step at a time as the safety, the way to use it the right way. Okay, when you're using hydroquinone, make sure during the daytime, you only use it at night, because hydroquinone goes through oxidation with sunlight. Okay, so if you're using it during the daytime and you're going out in the sun, the likelihood of you having a burn is very, very likely. Okay, it's better to use it at night, and then during the daytime you have to apply a sunscreen. Okay, or get a moisturizer that has inbuilt sunscreen in it, UVA and UVB in it. Okay, the reason is because when you're using hydroquinone, your skin is highly sensitive. Your skin is overly sensitive, so be very careful when you're using it. Don't use it more than 2 times a day. Only use it at once and at night. Okay, another thing is, when you're using hydroquinone, the prescribed one, like I said, a lower percentage, between 2 to 4%. You have to be patient to give it like a couple of weeks or months, like 3 months, for you to start seeing results, because remember, you're treating pigment and it takes a while for pigment to your skin shares dead skin cells every day, and then it renews itself. So while you're using it, your skin will be shedding dead skin cells and renewing itself to allow the new skin to come out and you will begin to notice a huge difference. The pigment will start, it would start to, be less visible. Okay. Now, I am against someone using very high percentage of hydroquinone, and this is where the safety of hydroquinone comes into question. Okay, a lot of people abuse it, especially some of all these skin bleaching creams in the market abuse it, and this is why hydroquinone has been banned in some countries. In Europe is banned, in Japan is banned, in the UK hydroquinone is banned because it is meant to cause skin cancer, especially for, like I mentioned earlier, a lot of skincare companies that are putting very high percentage. Some actually put like up to 20% of hydroquinone in their skin bleaching creams and soaps and serums or whatever. And that is, the safety of hydroquinone then becomes questionable, because this is where you get, the side effects, the likes of ochronosis, the darkening of skin. Okay, you get a severe stretch marks. Your skin begin to thin out. You notice that your skin begins to thin out. You can even get internal damage or kidney or liver failure because of the use of hydroquinone, and then burn. Okay, yes, and when you get the burn, it will be worse than the one that you are trying to treat. Okay, it will be worse than the one that you're trying to treat. This is where hydroquinone has a lot of side effects, where most people are a little bit, skeptical if they can use it to treat hyperpigmentation or not. Yeah, so for those of you that want to know if hydroquinone is safe to use, it is safe if you use the right percentage. It is safe if you use it according to the duration of time that you are asked to use it. Like I mentioned earlier, 12 weeks. Do not go over 12 weeks. It is safe if you protect your skin while you're using it by moisturizing your skin a lot, keeping your skin hydrated, and applying your sunscreen. Or if you don't like the chemical sunscreen, you can buy moisturizers that has inbuilt sunscreen. It is safe when you don't use the ones that are in skin bleaching creams. Okay, be very careful with hydroquinone, because I am saying this because of a lot of people have had bad experience using this particular ingredient, and I'm not joking. It's not a very good experience. It's not a very good one. It's not a very good encounter. Okay, so for those of you that are wondering if it's safe, well, it's safe if you do the right thing, because when it comes to skincare, too much of it, in fact, anything you're doing in life, too much of everything is definitely not good. And the same thing with skincare. Overdoing anything when it comes to skincare will ruin your skin. It will not give you the result that you want, and your skin will end up being ruined. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, any other ingredient that you want me to, by the way, this is a requested video. This is a requested video by some of my viewers. So if you have any other ingredient that you want me to talk about, safe or not safe, is it good for your skin, is it not, leave a comment below in the comment section. Did you have a bad experience with hydroquinone? Leave your comment below in the comment section, because this channel we discuss skincare. Yeah, okay. So everything skincare we discuss it. So let's talk, let's chat. Leave a comment below in the comment section. And once again, make sure you've liked this video, and if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and subscribe, and help me share this video. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.